During the 3-hour visit, Museveni held closed-door talks with Somali President Sheikh Sharif Ahmed, Prime Minister Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed, whose cabinet parliament had approved less than 24 hours earlier. The Speaker of Parliament and Information Minister also attended the meeting at Halen Base Camp, the headquarters of the Ugandan AMISOM contingent located south of Mogadishu. Museveni conveyed Uganda's solidarity with the Somalis and pledged continued assistance in every way possible to foster stability and peace in the country. He also repeated his pledge that Uganda was willing to provide many more peacekeeping troops to pacify the war-torn country. The president urged the international community to help the Somali transitional government and support the countries playing supportive roles to stabilize Somalia. President Sheikh Sharif Ahmed was grateful to President Museveni and Uganda for the assistance the country has accorded Somalia since 2007. Uganda has about 4,500 soldiers in Somalia. The number of AMISOM soldiers in Somalia has reached 8,000 after a battalion of Burundian troops landed in Mogadishu last week. The spokesperson of the Uganda battle group, Captain Chris Magezi, says Museveni's visit was good for the morale of the AMISOM troops.